there's a relatively new feature that just came out from Google where now you get to show your products and services directly on the search result. So let me show you what it looks like. So anytime somebody Googles your business, on the right hand side, this is your Google listing or knowledge panel. And a typical one wouldn't have this products down here. Typically, whenever somebody Googles your business, on the right hand side, it would just show some very basic information, such as your name, address, phone number, your star ratings, and that's pretty much about it. But now, you get to actually add products and services directly on here. Right? This is pretty neat. So that way people can scroll around and just call you directly from here. Or they can click on this and figure out what other service you have. You can add a nice picture on there. So if you're a window and door business, you can, for example, add different types of vinyl windows, wood windows, siding, glass wall, things like that. So let me show you how to update this section so that way your products and services show on here. So pretty easy. You go to info, and once you go on there and just scroll down and go to products. This is where you get to add products and upload photos. So definitely give it a go. This is still relatively new, and most of your competitors, they haven't knew about this feature yet. So definitely give it a shot.